Is your Genshin Impact showing a connection timeout when playing the game? Many Genshin Impact users keep saying that connection timeout issues. Connection timeout issues only come when you have problems with your mobile network or Wi-Fi network fails to work correctly. Here in this video, I'll give you the ultimate solution for the connection timeout issues for your Android device. So, let's get started. Now to solve this problem, first you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, tap Developer Option, scroll down. First enable the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Choose Always to keep mobile data on. After that, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type Internet Speed Test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode, or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. If you still have issues and if it keeps showing you connection timeout, open Setting, scroll down, tap Connection and Sharing, tap Reset Wi-Fi Bluetooth Mobile Network. Now choose your SIM card that you are using on the internet. Now just reset your network for your device. After solving the internet issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Genshin Impact apps, tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start, tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, go back, scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, tap Restricted Data Usage, enable all the settings, now clear cache, tap OK. Now you need to restart your device and reopen Genshin Impact apps. Now try to play the games, hopefully this time you'll not face any connection timeout issues. After following the process, please comment below if you still have a connection timeout issue for Genshin Impact on your Android. Thanks for watching.